Hey guys, and welcome back to TechForce, and today we'll be taking a look at a pair of waterproof and dustproof wireless earbuds. So these are called the xFyro xS2 wireless earbuds, and they're IP67 rated, which means they're fully dustproof and partially waterproof. Now this is great because it means they can be used in the shower or when you go to swim, which is obviously something very unique to most earbuds. As well as waterproofing, these earbuds also look slick and professional. They seem to be very nicely designed and very premium, as they come in a solid metal black and gold carrying case with 850 milliamps of charge to supply the earbuds as well as any external devices which may need charging through the USB power output port. Therefore, this case doesn't solely charge the earbuds, but is able to charge many other devices which may require some extra juice. So now let's focus on the sound quality. After all, they are earbuds, so if I was to compare them to something cheap like Apple earphones, I would say that they certainly sound better. They do block out external sound pretty well, which is something that the Apple earphones just can't do. But I don't think that the Apple earphones are a suitable competitor. After all, there isn't about an £80 difference. Therefore, I think that we can compare them to the Jaybird X3s, which I reviewed a while ago, and they were very good. So even though the Jaybirds are £15 extra, I still believe that this would be a much better comparison. Okay, so let's begin. So now I think that the Jaybirds have much richer sound quality, as the bass levels can be adjusted through the app. And each of the earbuds definitely have better connectivity, as they're connected through a cable. However, the xFyro earbuds are more slick and look better. On top of this, they come with a charging case that can act as a portable charger, which is obviously pretty great and something that's quite rare. And then on top of this, they're also waterproof. Both earphones are solid in the ears and don't come out, which means that they can be worn during sports, and they're both pretty portable. The Jaybirds are slightly lighter, but these earbuds do come with a battery case, which obviously won't be light. Therefore, if you were to decide between the two products, it depends on what features you really want. So I would say the Jaybirds have better sound quality, but they do miss out on waterproofing and the charging case, which would extend the battery of the earphones. So overall, it is a close battle, as both earphones are great. And at the end of the day, it's purely down to personal preference, and which earphones integrate better into your daily lives. So now let's answer the question as to whether the xFyro earbuds are worth their £95 price tag. Now I do think they are, because they have a decent sound quality and volume, and they are waterproof and dustproof, and then on top of this they come with a portable charging carrying case. And now all of these things are unique, and waterproofing means you can use them when you're going for a run in the rain or listening to music in the shower. The only issue is that the left earbud does sometimes partially disconnect for like half a second or so, but this is very rare, and I would say it isn't anything to worry about. So the connectivity of these earphones to your device is great, as they can connect quickly and easily. So the first time does require a short setup process, which is stated in the manual, along with a video if you need it. But then after this, you can just hold down each earbud to power it on, which is very simple and always works. So overall, I really believe these earbuds are great, and you guys should go and check them in the description below. So go ahead and follow the link to their website where you can purchase a pair. And don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on this video. So thanks for watching, goodbye.